Hello everybody, my name is Adriano Altino, I'm the CEO of Andromeda SRL. I'm going to give you a 5 minute presentation about PTESY, the more complete and simple project lifecycle management system. The classical project lifecycle V model, though theoretically correct, is very seldom fully applied. In normal projects, the requirements and system design documentation become quickly too heavy to follow the project at the required speed. Needs to change the user requirements occur after each project milestone: design review, shop testing simulation, integrated tests, acceptance tests. To be compliant with the standard of changes management, we should issue a review of the documentation each time, from user requirements to test procedures. But delivery invoicing milestones often constrain to delay the documentation upgrade. The result is that documentation often remains backward versus the developed project. It costed a lot, but it is useless for the product maintenance. PTESY is a suite of tools to manage the whole project lifecycle in a reiterative way on relational database. From the user requirements definition to the definition of test procedures to the test execution and problems annotation, with automated test report generation up to the final acceptance test, tracing all the intermediate levels. PTESY assures a total online traceability and automatically reproduces the whole documentation formatted in MSWord or MS Excel. Thanks to the power of the 4th generation relational database MS SQL Server, such a system allows to analyze and to manage the change with extreme facility and rapidity, maintaining upgraded the project documentation and the traceability matrices very efficiently and time-saving up to the end of the project. PTESY is the only PLM tool fully integrated, requirements management with test engineering, risk management, and all the methodologic entities involved in a technological complex project. PTESY is a client-server application that can be used in every working environment, in offices by project managers, quality managers, system analysts, and designers, in the workshop by test engineers on the commissioning site. Born in the aerospace and defense domains, the product grew up in industrial and infrastructural automation environments too. Therefore, it is conceived to be used also by non-specialistic profiles and doesn't need huge training periods. Furthermore, PTESY is made to be adapted to the customer's dimension and best practices. The users can start using it at any stage of the life cycle of the project. It is possible to create and start logging problems if it is the most urgent matter. The tools composing the PTESY suite are the following ones: Workbook for requirements management, Risk book for risk management, Test book for test procedures, test cases, test reports, Logbook for problems actions, Event book for diary and technical notes, Docbook for documents, IO Manager for IO signers and interfaces documentation. Each methodologic entity can be referred to the other ones, e.g. one requirement can be referred to problems, test cases, risks, etc. Each methodologic entity can be traced to the parent entities, system requirements to parent user requirements, architectural design items to system requirements, test cases to cover the requirements. Traceability matrices can be issued at any level in MSWord format. Requirements documents can be imported and coded into the database. Input formats can be MSWord and MS Excel. All the documents can be exported in MSWord and MS Excel formats: requirements document, test procedures and test records, problems reports, events report, risk document, I/O lists and terminal lists. Selections of records can be exported in table format in MS Excel, RTF, HTML formats. PTESY is compliant with the following international standards: ISA ECSS, ISO 12207, X-MIL 498, ISO 9001, CMMI Level 3, ISO 27001, ISO 17779. PTESY allows the user to dramatically improve their efficiency and to grow up in the maturity path, capability maturity model integrated. The costs of project development are meaningfully lowered. Therefore, we strongly suggest PTESY to all organizations which want to keep on growing and earning during and after the global crisis. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.